Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with VeChain. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. It would really mean a lot to me if we could get this video over 150 likes. I also want to know down below, are you bullish or bearish on VeChain for the next year? With that, let's jump straight into the video. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Overall, the market is still looking very strong at the moment. With the recent news of PayPal coming into cryptocurrency, it is very bullish for cryptocurrency next year. Bitcoin at 12,974, which we have not seen for a while. Ethereum at $412, XRP at 25 cents, Chaining at $12.20, Polkadot at $4.31, and Cardano at 10 cents. But in today's video, we are going to be talking about VeChain, but let's start off with its price. VeChain is currently at 1.2 cents. It is ranked number 25 in the leaderboards. It is up 15% over the last 7 days and it is up 4.5% over the last 30 days. If I show you its chart on the 7-day, as you can see here, most of the market is starting to wake up again and VeChain had a nice little pump. So hopefully this is a sign of good things to come. On the 30-day, as you can see here, most of the market did have a correction, but now again it does look like it is starting to wake up again. Hopefully it will continue. Now we have got quite a lot to talk about in today's video, so hopefully you will stick around. But let's start off with the first article, which is big news for VeChain. And this article says VeChain enters into partnership with the world's second largest EAS label supplier. VeChain has entered a cooperation with the smart tag provider UbiqueTag from China. The partnership enables the complete tracing and documentation of high-priced alcohol brands on VeChain 4 blockchain. In 2020, companies worldwide will continue to suffer financial losses from counterfeit products. According to sources, the damages amount to more than 320 billion. Among the affected industries are the food and spirit industry, which is also experiencing large losses in China. The new cooperation between VeChain and UbiqueTag now declares war on counterfeiters. Ubique is a professional smart tag supplier holding more than 20 national patents in China and is driving the development, manufacturing and application of RFID and EAS tags. Ubique is also the second largest EAS tag supplier in the world. And it says down here, according to data from the China Alcoholic Drinks Association, sales across China have fallen by more than 40% due to the pandemic. However, in contrast, new online sales channels have been established and are growing steadily due to the new conditions, according to Euromonitor. However, there are also numerous counterfeiter products in this area. So overall, this is big news for VeChain. They are trying to solve a very big problem, which is counterfeiting items. Businesses across the world are losing money because of this, and the fact that VeChain are trying to tackle this is a big deal in my opinion. Now the next article I want to show you is more big news to do with VeChain. And this article says VeChain supports fight against tumour diseases with blockchain. Big news. VeChain supports the Shanghai-based Renji Tumour Center in fight against tumour diseases. The hospital will use blockchain technology to promote both prevention and treatment. VeChain already supports many companies in the fight against illnesses by providing VeChain 4 blockchain with various tracking or data management tasks for numerous business processes in hospitals, airports and hotels. The latest partnership with Renji Tumour Center once again demonstrates the complex fields of application that VeChain technology makes possible. VeChain and DMVGL implement efficient medical management. On October 20th, 2020, Shanghai University Medical School and affiliated Renji Hospital announced the institution has entered into a strategic partnership with VeChain and DMVGL. This partnership will start the development of the Cloud Tumour Center, using the intelligent verification methods of DMVGL and VeChain 4 blockchain. And if I show you VeChain's official Twitter, they have announced it themselves, which again is absolutely huge news. The fact that the blockchain / cryptocurrency is getting into this sort of stuff, I personally think could be very beneficial for a lot of people. I think it could make a lot of things a lot easier, and I also think it could save a lot of lives. This is the next article I want to show you before we take a look at a price analysis to do with VeChain, and this article says VeChain in the fast lane, developments in the last quarter. The VeChain Foundation has invested the largest part of the funds in research and further development of the VeChain 4 blockchain. In the last quarter, VeChain was able to bring numerous innovations to fight against the pandemic to the market. The VeChain Foundation has shared the company report for the third quarter with the community. It states that VeChain was able to establish numerous new partnerships with well-known companies in order to support the fight against the pandemic worldwide. In addition, the majority of available funds were invested in the further development of the VeChain blockchain. Research and development received largest grant. On the 31st of July 2020, the total number of VET tokens was 86 billion, of which 64 billion are currently in circulation, 75.4% of the total number. In addition, 21 billion VETs are in soft lockups at the time of writing. In total, 50.8% were available for free trading on stock exchanges at the end of period under review. The VeChain Foundation was able to allocate capital in the amount of $641 to various areas, the largest grant received by the Research Development Division with the cash injection of $456,000 to advance the further development of the VeChain 4 blockchain. In addition, $96,000 was invested in research and development of VeChain related applications. The following table provides an overview. The foundation has disrupted a total of 225 million VET as a reward to development teams, including the share of rewards that were paused in the last quarter. By July 31st, 2020, more than 3 billion VET has been blocked and disrupted for rewards. In addition, important technical updates have been released. The VeChain 4 mainnet code has received two major updates that provide performance improvements for block processing and special handling for locally submitted transactions that do not drop out in the event of congestion. In addition, the VeChain Python 3 was updated on June 18th. The Python 3 library is designed to improve the smooth development of applications on the VeChain 4 blockchain. Now, I personally think that 2021 is going to be absolutely huge for cryptocurrency. It already has been a very big year, but I think 2021 will be the defining moment for cryptocurrency, and I generally think VeChain as well as Chainlink as well as a few others will have a big part of that, purely because they are already doing the big steps now. I want to know down below, are you bullish on VeChain or are you bearish? We're now going to take a look at a quick little price analysis to do with VeChain, and this one says VeChain, the cryptocurrency ranked 27th on CoinMarketCap, has had a decent 2020, with VET noting YTD returns of over 127% at the time of writing. Like most alts, VET 2 topped out in mid-August before a sharp downturn pulled the crypto down to its June 2020 levels. However, following Bitcoin's PayPal pump, many of these alts were previously on a downtrend, including VeChain, had the opportunity to note a sustained gains of their own. It should be noted here that it is too soon to predict whether VeChain will sustain its brief uptrend, as well as the Bollinger Bands seem to be tightening around the price candles in favour of price stabilisations. The relative strength index has levelled off after an uptick. VeChain was in the news recently after it released its financial executive report, a report that revealed VeChain has partnered with the Sam's Club in China to launch a DLT-based traceability solution. With VeChain currently being at 1.2 cents, I personally think if we can hit above that 1.4 and that 1.3 level, then we can focus on the levels of 1.7, 1.8 and then 1.9, and then it's a case of how high will VeChain actually go. With what's going around with the crypto market at the minute, it is incredibly bullish times. It does look like the bear market could be over, but time will tell. 2021 is setting up for an incredibly big year for cryptocurrency. It's just a case, will VeChain be a part of that bull run? To finish off today's video, I just want to show you this quickly. A lot of people do not believe in this, but I personally do. We are all entitled to our own opinion in this crypto space, and we can always learn from each other. But I am personally a strong believer of this. It is the Bitcoin stock to flow, and I just want to show you guys an update of it. And as you can see here, the market is starting to head upwards, which is very, very bullish signs. The market, as well as with what happened with PayPal, is very bullish across the whole board, and it could bring in a lot more big companies and a lot more institutional investors, which is exactly what we are looking for. Will the bullish times continue in cryptocurrency? I personally think and hope so, because with what's happening in the world at the moment, we need a change. And if it stays the same, nothing is going to get better. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you today, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more, as it does really help my channel grow. I am planning on doing giveaways for you guys in November and December. You have been absolutely incredible for the support you have been showing me. If we can get this video to 150 likes, it will really mean a lot to me, and the support you guys have been showing has been absolutely incredible. So I just want to say a massive thank you to that one. Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. I hope you have an amazing week. Peace.